Okay, so we're back in class view. Remember, you're at the back of the group following these four as they dance it. We're going to go from where we left it off then. So if you remember, you've done your froggy, froggy, piston arms and up into this position. So 4 counts in and then we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking up, introducing a bounce. 6, 7, 8. To run. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diamond. Little bounce. Hand to knee, push down and come up round the pole. So we've just come up round the pole. So for the next part of the dance is a direct repeat of what you've already done with a couple of sneaky additions. So the first bit then, we're stepping forward as we did before, scooping up, we're throwing the hand back on 6 and this time on 7 we add a jump, land 8. The next bit is exactly as was. We come forward, elbows jump us back, we turn up stage. The tea tray is the same, jumping on 1, hitting and 4, 5, 6, looking up 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, bounce 3, 4, and here's the change. We turn 5, 6, nod the head 7, 8. So just a couple of changes there. Going over that again. So we've gone round the pole, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. 4, 5, 6, jump 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn and nod. From there, we're taking the focus think of the nod as taking the focus up into the upper body. So we're taking our energy now into our right elbow, then our left elbow, a bit like a puppet being lifted up by strings from the elbow. Then think of turning a doorknob, first with your right arm, then with your left. And as you do so, your focus, which has been at the floor, is coming up to the ceiling. So showing that on timing then, I'll give 4 counts from the previous bar with the nodding on 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So by 4, our focus is up to the ceiling. From here, we're going to hold 5, slap the hands down onto the thighs, 6. And then you're going to hold there for the count of 7, but on and 8 and, you're going to be taking your hands up and you're actually going to be hitting a sound in the music, which is quite hard to show in silence, but it will all make sense in a minute, I promise. So that bar then, we've got 5, 6, nod 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. So you'll notice once we've done it the first time, we're just coming down, slapping the hands to the thighs on the count of 3, holding it to hit the and 8 and. So we've just finished with our focus up, we've been hitting that in the music several times, and now there's a change again. We're going to think of scooping down, scooping up a ball and throwing it, and then following it. So that bar of 8 is a scoop forward with the left arm, left leg, throwing as you turn to your right, following it, 6, 7, 8. Then we pick up a beach ball with both hands. We pick it up, 1, 2, throw, 3, 4, then we step back with 5, 6, 7, 8. So those 2 bars again. So we've finished on the and 7 and 8, and then we're stepping forward 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pick up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we're dropping in 4 stages, coming up bit by bit. So we drop down into a lunge, 1, 2, legs together, hands to head, 3, 4, up to sort of 3/4, 5, 6, throw the hands up, 7, 8. And then we repeat our little puppet motion. So we're going right elbow, right doorknob, left doorknob, hands down on 6, and 8 and. So it's a little repeat of that funny phrase again. So up to there, you finished that for the first time. You've hit and 7 and 8 and we're going to scoop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Puppet, puppet, doorknob, doorknob. 6, 7, 8. From there, then, you're facing the back, remember? You're going to run forward, and the key here is that you're going to hit a punching running position on the end of that bar. So the timing of that as you go forward, you've finished with your hands in the air, you're going to run forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, punch, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's referencing the running position from earlier on. Again, it's going to the 3 positions, but this time, rather than a sort of static running position, you're punching your elbows. You're punching 3 times in 3 directions. So you've run forward, punching 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we call this next bit ice. It's a good clue that we'll probably shout out on the day. You want to imagine that you're standing on fragmenting icy surface and you're trying to put your foot on bits of ice that's splintering beneath your feet. So you do that first of all with your right side and then with your left side. And that comes out of the punching from previously. So you've punched, running up stage, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then ice, 3, 4, ice, 3, 4. Okay, so again, we're back in class mode. Remember, you're at the back of the group. We're going to just go through that bit without the music. So you've been picking out the bits in the music on and 7 and 8. You've done it 4 times. You're at the top, 4 counts in, and we're going to be scooping with our left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick up a ball. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's ice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knee. Push round the pole. Okay, so slight change in format here. We're just going to do the end section, which yes, we are now at, with you as if you're in the class behind this lot, because actually virtually everything we now do you've already done before. So if you remember, you've just gone around the pole. So from here, we're going to run forward for 4, back to centre, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to run to our right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to centre for 8. To our left, 4. Back to centre for 8. From there, we go into our froggy again. We're referencing froggy from before. So we froggy 1, 2, 3, 4, piston arms, throw the arm up. This time, we fall out of that into our figure of 8 running. So again, we run to our right. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. From there, we do our diamond jumping as before. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, instead of bouncing on the spot, which is what we did last time, we bounce and turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then again, we're stepping forward to hit the knee. 2, 3, 4, round the pole. So that little section again. So from one round the pole to the next round the pole. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run and centre. Run to the right and centre, to the left and centre, froggy, froggy, piston, arm and run. Turn a circle, 5, 7, 8 and run to your left, 5, 7, 8, diamond, little jumps while turning, 1 knee, round the pole. Okay, so the next bit is a sort of fast variation on the slow opening hands tilting move we did earlier on in the dance. So Claire's just going to show us through that. We've just come out of the previous round the pole, and from here we do a jump, behind, step, and this time we hit these 2 leg change moments on the end of that bar. So in real time, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We step back, and this time we're referencing the and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, bounce 3, 4. Then we take it into a little tilt onto our left side, 7, 8. So putting that together with 4 counts in. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, tilt, 6, 7, 8. So we're on the home straight now. We're now going to reference the throwing. We're going to reference the 4 little crouching movements coming up. We revisit our diamond once again, and then we're right near the end. So we've just come back, hitting our and 4, if you remember, going through our very clean positions from the phrase earlier on in the dance. We've tilted in a variation this time, 5, 6 and 7, 8. From here then, we're going to go forward, shortening the throwing phrases. We're going to step forward. 1, 2, throwing, 5, 6, sorry, 3, 4, coming down, throwing again, 5, 6, stepping back, 7, 8. So I'm showing you that in real time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we reference the crouches. There's no lunge this time, it's just straight down to a crouch. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we bounce our diamond again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn around, bouncing, and this time we wave our arms in the air. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we've got a final 2 counts where we step forward with our right, then our left into a cross shape, celebratory hurrah moment, and that's the end.